Babyseater. In this video, we will show you how to assemble your retractable safety gate. This retractable gate is suitable for both pets as well as babies. It has a maximum opening of 48 inches wide and can be placed in hallways, stairs, and doors. Before you begin assembling, please make sure to read the assembly manual thoroughly, as it contains important safety warnings and assembly tips. Please note that there are some steps in the assembly process that might require 2 people to help with the assembly. Start the assembly by checking the parts list. Verify that the following parts are included with your assembly. Check the assembly for the following hardware. Before installation, make sure you choose the suitable screws for the appropriate surface. Shorter screws are used on the wood surface. Longer screws and expansion screws are used on solid walls, such as concrete or tile walls. The following tools are recommended for this assembly. Step 1. Preparing for installation. For this step, you will require the following parts. If you are starting with the left side of the assembly, place the cutout scale direction L onto the desired location on the wall. Make sure to place the bottom line of A2 aligned with the floor and the A1 layout on top. Use a pencil to mark the holes on the wall by locating the screw holes drawn on the carton template. Mark the hole on the center of each hole, 2 holes for each A1 and A2 bracket. After marking the holes, place the template to the side and disregard. Step 2. Attaching the A1 and A2 brackets. For this step, you will require the following parts. Begin Step 2 by lining up the upper hinge bracket, part A1, to the previously marked A1 holes on top. Try and match the marked holes with the holes on the bracket, and place the bracket up against the wall with the curved grooves facing upward, as shown. Next, depending on the material of the surface you are applying the Part A1 bracket to, the type of screw required will vary from one of the 3 screws provided. For wooden surfaces, use the short screws. For solid walls, such as tile and concrete walls, use the longer screws and expansion screws. For installation purposes, we'll use the shorter screws in this video. If appropriate, you might want to use a power drill to drill pilot holes before installing the brackets. Secure Part A1 to the wall using 2 Part A short screws. Tighten the screws using a Phillips screwdriver. Take care not to over-tighten the screws. Next, repeat these steps and attach the A2 bracket to the bottom. Make sure to place the A2 bracket with the curved grooves facing upward, aligned with the floor, as shown. Step 3. Attaching the retractable gate. Begin Step 3 by placing the retractable gate alongside the Part A1 and A2 brackets. Firmly secure the retractable gate to the brackets. Tilt and slide the gate so that the bottom curved grooves of the A2 bracket slide into the gate bottom slots, and insert the curved grooves of the A1 bracket into the notches located on top to the side of the gate. Verify that the gate is firmly secured. Step 4. Attaching the gate cover. For this step, you will require the following part. Begin Step 4 by locating the Part A5 hinge cover. Place the hinge cover into the A1 bracket and retractable gate, as shown. Push the hinge cover until it locks into place. Step 5. Attaching the right side of the gate. For this step, you will require the following parts. Begin Step 5 by locating the previously cut template with the words Scale Direction R written on it. Place the cutout scale direction R onto the desired location. Make sure to place the bottom line of A4 aligned with the floor and the A3 layout on top. Using a pencil, mark the holes on the wall by locating the screw holes drawn on the carton template. Mark the hole on the center of each hole, 2 holes for each A3-1 and A4 brackets. Before installing the brackets, verify which holes on the A3 and A4 brackets you are going to utilize. For example, if you are installing the gate like this, then you will need to utilize the A3A and A4A holes with the bracket oriented as shown. But if you are installing the gate oriented like this, then you will need to utilize the A3B and A4B holes as shown. Mark the hole on the center of each hole, 2 holes for each A3-1 and A4 brackets. After deciding which way to install the A3 and A4 brackets and marking the holes, place the template to the side and disregard. Step 6. Mounting the A3 and A4 brackets. For this step, you will require the following parts. Begin Step 6 by lining up the upper hook part A3 to the previously marked holes located on top. Secure part A3 to the wall using 2 short screws with the upper hook oriented as discussed in Step 5. Tighten the screws using a Phillips screwdriver. Take care not to over-tighten the screws. Next, repeat these steps and secure the lower hook, part A4. Congratulations! You have completed the assembly of the retractable safety gate. Verify that the installation of parts is adequately measured and that all parts are secure. Before using the retractable safety gate, please make a final inspection. Do not use until the retractable safety gate has been fully assembled and inspected for correct installation in accordance with the owner's manual. How it works. Using your retractable gate. Using your retractable gate is easy. Start by rotating the tube cap located on the top of the retractable gate counterclockwise to unlock the gate. Next, pull out the door gate towards the A3 and A4 brackets and lock it into place by hooking the hooks on the brackets to the handles located on the retractable gate. You might pull out the locking plate located on the hooks for additional security. To lock the retractable gate once it's in place, push down on the tube cap and rotate clockwise to lock the gate. To open the gate, simply unlock the gate and unhook until the retractable gate retracts back into the open position. Enjoy your new retractable safety gate. Brought to you by Babyseater.